Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Twilio SendGrid templates for transactional email branding. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Twilio SendGrid account. From the dashboard, locate and click on Templates in the sidebar menu. Select Transactional from the drop-down options that appear. You'll see a list of all your existing templates. Choose the template you want to update by clicking on its name. Once the template loads, click on the Edit button. In the editing interface, consider your branding elements. Update your logo by clicking on the image placeholder and uploading a new file. Adjust the colors to match your branding by using the Color Picker tool. Edit the text sections to reflect your brand's voice and message. Make sure to include any necessary links or call to action buttons. Review responsive design elements to ensure your template looks good on all devices. Utilize the preview feature to see how your changes appear in both desktop and mobile views. Once you are satisfied with the updates, click on the Save button. To finalize, test your template by sending a preview email to yourself. Check your email to ensure everything appears as intended. If all looks good, your updated template is now ready for use in your transactional emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.